Welcome to our channel, See to Learn. Today we'll learn about the different parts of a flower. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant and hence the most attractive one. This is a hibiscus flower, which is also called a China rose. At the base of the flower, these are the green colored sepals, which are also called calyx. They protect the flower when in bud condition. This flower has 5 joint sepals. Then you can see these colorful petals or the corolla. They too are 5 in numbers, but are separate from each other. They attract the pollinators for pollination. I'll pluck them to show you the inner parts of the flower. This is a bisexual flower, which means it has both male and female reproductive parts. The stamen is the male reproductive part. It has a filament and an anther. The filaments of this flower are joined and form a tube. Together they are called Androecium. These yellow tiny structures over here are the anthers. Pollens which contain reproductive cells are produced here. I'll cut open the stamen carefully to show you the innermost part, that is the female reproductive part, called pistil or carpel. Collectively they are called Gynoecium. A pistil has 3 parts: stigma, style and ovary. Stigma is the sticky tip that receives the pollens. Style is a long tube connecting the stigma and the ovary, while the ovary is the swollen part at the base. The female reproductive cells, called eggs, are produced here inside the ovules. After fertilization, the ovary matures to become a fruit and the ovules become seeds. To learn more, stay connected, like, share and subscribe, See to Learn, and don't forget to click the bell icon.